We go to other news now. A fare increase is just around the corner. Yet another signal from Transport Minister Audley Shaw in the House of Representatives today as he made his contribution to the sectoral debate. Andrea Chisholm has details.
Just last week, taxi associations met with the Transport Minister to discuss a rate increase. And now, this announcement.
We are also looking at the potential fare increases. And when those fare increases come, I want to advise everybody right now, those fare increases must be strictly adhered to. Strictly adhered to. The conduct of people charging anything they want, that has to stop.
Meanwhile, the crisis gripping the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC was also highlighted. Though there are roughly 220 buses in the fleet, the daily rollout is roughly 163. 70 buses are expected soon.
There are 50 buses, 45 diesel and 5 electric, which are on the high seas. Right now, they left China on the 2nd of May, and they're on the high seas right now and should be here by the end of this month.
JUTC's cashless fare collection system will also be upgraded. And for those stealing fuel from the state-run bus company,
we are at an advanced stage of using technology-based solutions to assist us in detecting, locating, and tracking our fuel.
In the meantime, Transport Minister Audley Shaw confirmed that 88,000 road licenses were issued over the past few years. He has committed to working with the National Works Agency NWA to install more bus stops, particularly along Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew, to improve law and order on the roads. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.